Basic concepts. Law of demand. The law of demand explains changes in the consumer demand due to changes in price. The relation between price and demand is inverse, because larger quantity is demanded when price falls and smaller quantity will be demanded when price rises. Symbolic representation. Illustration to explain the law with the help of schedule and diagram. The schedule shows that when price of mangoes is 50 rupees per kg, demand is only 1 kilogram. When price falls to 40 rupees per kg, demand rises to 2 kilograms. Similarly, at the price 10 rupees per kg, demand of mangoes is 5 kilograms, whereas 4 kilograms of mangoes are demanded at price 20 rupees per kg. This shows inverse relation between price and demand. In the diagram, quantity demanded is shown on the x-axis and price on the y-axis. Demand curve. When price of mangoes is 50 rupees per kg, demand is only 1 kilogram. When price falls to 40 rupees per kg, demand rises to 2 kilograms. Similarly, at the price 10 rupees per kg, demand of mangoes is 5 kilograms, whereas 4 kilograms of mangoes are demanded at price 20 rupees per kg. This shows inverse relation between price and demand. dt is a demand curve which slopes downwards from left to right. In other words, its slope is negative because of inverse relationship between price and demand.
Law of demand. Law of demand is divided into two parts. First, individual demand. Second, market demand.
Individual demand and market demand. Individual demand. Individual demand is the quantity demanded of a commodity by an individual at various prices in a given period of time. It can be represented in a tabular format called the individual demand schedule. Price of sugar in rupees is 25. Demand in kgs would be 10. When the price of sugar is 26, demand in kgs would be 9. The price of sugar is 27 rupees and demand is 8 kgs. The price is 28 rupees and demand is 7 kgs. Price is rupees 29 and demand is 6 kgs. When the price of sugar is 30, the demand in kgs is 5. It can be observed that an individual purchases different quantities at different prices. Also, less quantity of sugar is demanded at rising price and vice versa. Example, when price of sugar is 25 rupees per kg, demand for it is 10 kgs. But only 5 kgs of sugar is demanded at price of rupees 30 per kg. Market demand. Market demand is the quantity demanded of a commodity at various prices by all the consumers in the market at a given period of time. It can be represented in a tabular format called market demand schedule. Price of sugar is rupees 25 per kg. Quantity demanded in kgs for consumer A is 10, consumer B is 11, consumer C is 12. Market demand in kgs, A plus B plus C would be 33. Price of sugar is 26 per kg. Quantity demanded in kgs for consumer A is 9, consumer B is 10 and for consumer C it is 11. So market demand in kgs for A plus B plus C would be 30. Price of sugar is rupees 27 per kg. For consumer A, quantity demanded is 8 kgs. For consumer B, 9 kgs. And for consumer C, 10 kgs. So market demand in kgs for A plus B plus C is 27. Price of sugar is rupees 28 per kg. quantity demanded in kg for consumer A is 7, for consumer B is 8, for consumer C is 9. So A plus B plus C would be 24 kgs. Price of sugar is rupees 29 per kg. For consumer A, quantity demanded in kgs would be 6. For consumer B, it would be 7. And for consumer C, 8 kgs. So market demand in kgs, A plus B plus C is 21. Price of sugar is rupees 30 per kg. Quantity demanded in kgs for consumer A is 5, consumer B 6 and consumer C 7. Market demand in kgs, A plus B plus C would be 18. There are 3 consumers of sugar in the market, namely A, B and C. Therefore, it is clear from the table that market demand is the total demand of all consumers of sugar at varying prices. Example, at price rupees 25 per kg, market demand for sugar is 33 kgs, 10 kgs plus 11 kgs plus 12 kgs. Market demand varies inversely with changes in prices. Market demand is always greater than individual demand.